my name's Karsten.
And I'm Jenny.
And today we're going to be showing you how to perform a breathing and coughing skill check.
So the supplies you will need for breathing and coughing skills check will be a pillow,
A towel and a cup.
and a sheet. Hi, my name is Jenny. I'm a student physical therapist assistant, and I'm going to be teaching you some breathing techniques today. So I see that you're having a hard time breathing right now because she's laughing so hard. But I'm going to be teaching you pursed lip breathing and diaphragmatic breathing today. So you're having a hard time in your goals to be able to walk and do exercise while keeping your oxygen saturation up. So our goal is to teach you appropriate breathing techniques so you'll be able to keep your oxygen up while exercising. So first I'm going to have you lay down on your side and then on your back. And I'm going to be teaching you breathing, the pursed lip breathing first. So what I'm going to have you do is, so you're going to breathe, I'm going to demonstrate first, breathing in 3 counts through your nose and 6 counts out with your mouth. And when you blow out, you're going to be pretending like it's a candle. Okay. So you're blowing out a candle. And, okay, so now we're going to move to diaphragmatic breathing. And with this, you are using your diaphragm muscle to breathe. And that is the best way that you can most effectively and efficiently. So you're getting the most oxygen to your lungs instead of using your accessory muscles like this. So what I'm going to have you do is place your hands on your stomach so you have that cue of when you can feel your diaphragm expanding. And so I'm going to demonstrate it for you first, and then I'll have you show me that you know how to do it. So can you do that for me? Okay, you did that effectively, and now I know that you know how to do it, and now we'll get up and do some exercise and see if we can implement this.
Hi, my name is Karsten Larson, and I'm a student physical therapist assistant, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of techniques to allow you to cough better and to get that mucus production up and out of your lungs. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to see if you can make the letter K sound. So I'm just going to have you say K, if you are allowed to do that. And so what this is checking is if your epiglottis, which is a little flap in your trachea, is able to open and close as needed for coughing. So I'm going to have you try that a couple times. If you can just do the K sound. K. Okay. So you're able to do that. Let's try it a couple more times. Good. Good. Alright, so the next step, what we're going to do is I'm going to have you try and make a kind of a huff sound. So you're going to have to go. So what this is doing is checking your abdominal strength to make sure that your abdominal muscles are strong enough to create the pressure needed to get that mucus up and out of your lungs. So if you can just try and go. Okay, let's do it a couple more times. So for the next part, I'm going to have you hold on to this pillow, and I'm just going to have you hug it like this and kind of bend over a little bit. Okay? Yep, so you kind of hunch over that. And so we're going to use both of those techniques that we just used, the cut and the huh, and I'm going to have you try and cough. So I'm going to have you cough 2 times. So you're going to go cough, cough, and then whatever mucus that you get up and into your mouth, I'm going to have you spit that into this cup, and then you can use this towel if you need to wipe your face or anything like that, okay? So I'll give this to you, and I'll put the towel right here. So you just got to do the cough twice, and then spit. Good. And we're going to do this as many times as needed until we don't get any more mucus production up, okay?
Okay.
All right.